in detail. South Shillong MLA and BJP leader Sanbor Shullai has suggested that the government needs to seal the entry and exit points of the state to check the increasing drugs menace in the state. He also held a meeting with the residents of his constituency in Shillong. Speaking to media persons, he said that each and every vehicle, including the vehicles of Prime Minister, Chief Minister and MLAs, should be checked thoroughly at the entry and exit points of the state to deal with the menace of drugs in the state. He made the statement in view of the fact that drugs in Meghalaya are transported through Assam from Myanmar and Manipur.
The main action that the government should take is that we have to install the check gate to seal all these gates, this exit and entry point coming from, say like in Bernihat, then from coming from Giant Hill through Silchar, then from Ribhai district. Because we know, as per the sources, drugs are being supplied from through Assam. Then from that area, it comes from Burma, Manipur, Myanmar, like this they are coming. So unless we seal all those main gate, entry and exit, we have given a suggestion that we have to check if it is the vehicle of the Chief Minister or Prime Minister or MLA or a businessman or anyone, or the private or the commercial vehicle, we have to check.